What's up, people? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going for my second longest ride, that is in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, and also I'm going to Statue of Unity for a Statue of Unity ride with my very good friend Neerav Rawal. You know him, right? Moment Clicker, my riding partner. So right now the time is 11:30 in the night and the date is 11th May, and I'm all set to leave. And also one more thing, guys, from last 2 months I was not able to make any vlogs because I was going through some circumstances where I was not able to make any of my video, not able to edit it because there were some things which were making me not to do that. So right now I'm all set and I'm back to my rides, my passion, and I'm all set now. So we are gonna leave by 12 in the night, and our timing would be like we'll reach by 12 tomorrow in the afternoon. And also I'm going to Ahmedabad first because of my cousin's wedding, and also I'm gonna cover Baruch, and we're gonna go for Statue of Unity, and I'm damn excited right now. I'm just waiting for him to come. And the things I'm carrying right now with me, my safety gears, my helmet. Wait, let me show you. Just be with me. So the things I'm carrying right now with me, my helmet, safety comes first, as you all know. So helmet, my studs helmet, and my GitHub Action Cam 2 Pro. With it, a tank bag, my charger and mobile chargers, mobile banks, where I've got some stuff inside, and some for fun, selfie stick, and it's a standable stick, and also my safety gears, that is Skyco knee pads, knee guards, and a bag. That's all I'm carrying today with me, and also my gloves, pro bikers. Oh, and I'm damn excited right now. Let me show you my ride. Come on, let's go. So this is my ride for today. As you all know that recently I bought my new Domina 400, and it would be my first longest ride on this beast. And MulundkarNikhil, my YouTube channel, and also some stickering, Indian flag, and also my lights. Let me show you how it works. So look at the power. Oh fuck. And I'm damn excited right now. And my helmet. And recently I've done some craft on my number plate too. As you can see, wait. Some quit on that Domina with my number plate 4846. So as you all know, Moment Clicker is there on the top, always late for the rides. Where is he? Always late. So just when it comes, we're gonna leave for the ride today, and some Pagal Sardars on my area, of my area. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's start the ride. Yippee. Whoa! So we have completed almost around 130 kilometers and we have reached to Vapi. And yes, we are tired now, but still we have to carry on to our ride. And next halt would be Surat, that is 130 kilometers to and Crocs. And we have taken a halt in Vapi right now. Wow. Chalo, let's get back to the road. Just stay with me.